The first ever criminal trial of a former president is underway in New York.
Donald Trump is charged with felony fraud. He's accused of faking business records to cover up his affair with an adult film star before the 2016 election. CBS News correspondent Jared Hill is following the case. He joins us live from New York, where jury selection is underway. Jared?
And in fact, Jim and Marie, jury selection, at least for the day, just wrapped up. Legal experts are saying that both sides are going to have their work cut out for them when it comes to whittling down this jury pool of about 500 potentials to 12 jurors, as well as the alternates, impartial jurors for a man that they say almost everyone in the country has some sort of opinion on. Returning from a lunch break, a thumbs up from former President Trump as he began the second half of day one in his hush money trial. It's the first of 4 criminal trials the Republican presidential candidate faces. Earlier, he slammed at the proceedings, which could take more than 6 weeks.
This is really an attack on a political opponent, that's all it is.
Trump faces 34 felony counts, accused of falsifying business records to hide payments former fixer Michael Cohen made to adult film star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 presidential election. Trump has pleaded not guilty.
This is an assault on America.
Monday afternoon, the first batch of 96 potential jurors enter the courtroom. More than 500 Manhattan residents are there to be considered for the 12 spots. The lengthy juror questionnaire asks if they've ever attended a Trump rally or if they follow the former president on social media.
The defense is very interested in seeing if they can show that through the jury selection that they can't really get people who might be quote unquote fair and impartial. They will continue to move for a change of venue.
Prosecutors asked the judge to hold Trump in contempt for allegedly violating his gag order with 4 social media posts attacking Stormy Daniels and Michael Cohen, both potential witnesses. Prosecutors want the posts removed and Trump to pay a fine. They've asked the judge to remind Trump that he could be jailed for further violations. The former president's defense claimed he was only responding to attacks, but the judge said he did not recall an exception to the gag order. Now, going back to that jury selection process today, again, 96 potential jurors went in to be considered. More than half of them were actually dismissed because they said they did not feel they could be impartial. Back to you.
Jared Hill in New York for us. Thank you, Jared.